In this video, we'll learn how we can install Bun in any operating system, especially on our Linux operating system. Before installation, we need to know that why we will use Bun. Here is our some features of Bun, something like that. It is ultra fast JavaScript runtime. So we can use it alternative to Node.js. We don't need Node.js anymore every time, and it has built-in TypeScript transpiler and no need TSC compiler or TypeScript compiler or Babel. So it has built-in TypeScript compiler, and it will easily execute TypeScript. No need TypeScript compiler. So built-in package manager, and it is very faster package manager than npm and pnpm. And if you go to bun.sh, this website, so here you have lot of features, like you can create server. This is npm compatible package manager, and it is just look at this, the how much time it is taking to installing packages, and lot of features here. Native TypeScript support, hot module replacement, lightweight bundle size, automatic Node.js API compatibility, file washing. Like you don't need Nodemon anymore. You can wash file. You can wash TypeScript file directly using Bun. Just wash flag, or just hyphen double flag in our package.json. So modern JavaScript compiler reduced memory size, and it has a modern JavaScript compiler and efficient build and transfer system. So now we will install Bun in our machine. So I'm using Debian. Use like you have Windows, Mac. So don't worry, it is installation process similar for every operating system. So now I'm opening my terminal, and I'm checking Bun is already installed or not. So just Bun hyphen version. So Bun is not found. I'm using JSH for my terminal, and now we need to install Bun. So for that we'll just type on the browser just Bun install, and in the first website you have the installation Bun, and it is bun.sh. And after going that, so there has a lot of ways to install Bun. So we'll just if you have Mac or Linux, then you follow this step, and if you have just npm, you can install like that, or you can also use like npm. So most of the developer has already installed Node.js, and then you can use npm home video, or also you can use on the Docker container. So we will install Bun for macOS and Linux. First of all, we need to install. Then also we have like Windows, how you can install on Windows, like Docker. Just follow the step, just a single line of command, you can install it. So we are just close, click, hit, and enter, and it will be installed on our machine. Just it will taking some time. So in this time we are gonna just, so if you have just Windows, just copy and paste. If you have Docker, you then just copy and paste the command, and Linux or macOS, this command. After that we need to checking version. So before that if you have bash or JSH, or if you use like Windows, then you need to set your environment variable. Oh, let's go. Bun is installed in our machine. And make sure that if you don't, after installation process, if you not get your Bun version, then you need to check your environment variable. And if you use bash or JSH in Linux or macOS, so you need to set the path on your environment variable, something like that. After that, you will be able to access the version or access to use Bun in your machine. So this is it. And now you have a powerful like package manager, Node.js alternative, and everything that you need. Now you have a quick feature, and you can easily do like just look at this, how faster is that. So thank you for watching this video.